Good morning, Standard 10. This is the revision class of Chapter 1, the Union Parliament. We will start with the sessions of the House. Okay, the houses or the houses. Okay, the houses, they meet for 3 sessions. How many sessions are there? 3 sessions. First session is the budget session, means the year begins with the budget session followed by monsoon session, and then we have winter session. So how many sessions are there? 3 sessions. And the maximum gap, this question can be asked in the exam also. What should be the maximum gap between the 2 sessions? So the maximum gap between the 2 sessions can be 6 months. You see here, the maximum period that can intervene between 2 sessions of the parliament, 6 months. Okay, how many months? 6 months. So this you are supposed to remember, the president has a power to prorogue the session. Okay, prorogue means extend the session. He has a power to call the session. He has a power, the president has a power to call for the joint session, and the speaker of the Lok Sabha is the presiding officer of the joint session. These are the things which you have to remember under the sessions. The next you have languages to be used, English or Hindi. Which are the languages which can be used in the parliament? English or Hindi. But if someone does not know any of these 2 languages, with the prior permission of the speaker, can also use mother tongue. Okay. So even then, which are the 2 important languages? Either Hindi or English. Okay. Next, the most important advantages of the Lok Sabha. What are the advantages of the Lok Sabha? Listen carefully. Okay, Lok Sabha is the exchequer of the state. Lok Sabha is the exchequer of the state. Okay, here the money bill is introduced only in the Lok Sabha. So which bill the Lok Sabha has got power? The money bill. The money bill is introduced only in the Lok Sabha. This is the first advantage, first power of the Lok Sabha. Second, vote of no confidence. Here you see the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. Both the houses enjoys the power to call for vote of no confidence. Both the houses has got an equal power to pass vote of no confidence motion. But here is the difference between the power, and which shows that the Lok Sabha has got more advantage. If vote of no confidence is passed in the Rajya Sabha and is not passed in the Lok Sabha, it does not oblige the government to resign. But the same moment, if the vote of no confidence is passed in Lok Sabha, it obliges the government to resign. So this is about the vote of no confidence. Third thing, the Lok Sabha enjoys it has a greater numeral strength than Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha has greater numeral strength than Rajya Sabha. So these are the 3 advantages or the 3 powers of the Lok Sabha. Next thing which you have to remember, the speaker, and here you have as per the new syllabus, you have to remember the speaker election and removal. How the speaker is elected. After the general election, when the new Lok Sabha is formed, the speaker is elected by the members of the Lok Sabha, newly formed Lok Sabha after the election. He is elected from among its own members. He is not outsider. He is one of the member of the Lok Sabha. So this you have election. The same manner the deputy speaker is also elected. Until the new speaker is not elected, the presiding officer, the old speaker, the previous speaker of the Lok Sabha remains in the office till the new speaker is not elected. Removal, suppose he is found guilty or misuse of his power, then the parliament has a power to remove him by calling the impeachment motion. Okay, so today's class we studied about the 3 sessions of the houses. The budget session, the year begins with the budget session, monsoon session and then winter session. Then what should be the maximum period that can intervene between the 2 sessions of the parliament? It is 6 months. Which language, Hindi or English, mother tongue can be used but with the prior permission, but then most 2 important languages, Hindi and English. Then you studied advantages of the Lok Sabha, where you studied that it's exchequer of the state, money bill is only introduced in the Lok Sabha. Second, if vote of no confidence is passed in the Rajya Sabha, it does not oblige the government to resign. But if same vote of no confidence is passed in Lok Sabha, it obliges the government to resign. Greater in numeral strength. The Lok Sabha is greater in numeral strength. How the speaker is elected? The election of the speaker after the general election, after the election, the newly formed Lok Sabha elects the speaker from among its own members. And removal, if found guilty, misuse of power, position, he can be impeached by the parliament. Please learn it. These are the revision classes which is going on. Thank you.